So how I would actually combine this with technicals would be like, okay, well, you know what, moving into tomorrow's trading day, if we see price hold this point of control, what I'm going to do now is go down into a 4-hour time frame. And even just looking at the 4-hour time frame on this fixed range volume profile that we set based off of the daily time frame, we can see where the high volume nodes are sitting, and we can also see where the value area low and the value area high is, and how well price action is holding these value areas and what we can expect here. Because we could use a fixed range volume profile in the daily time frame to understand what the important levels are and where the important levels are, but we can go back down into lower time frames such as a 4-hour time frame, an hour time frame, and look for more specific entries around these areas to look for breaks and retests, such as we see here. We see a reclaim of that value area, a pullback retest of that value area low, and then we see a continuation much higher to the opposite edge of value. It's the same thing here. Notice how price tapped that value area high to the tick and then completely reversed, and now we're starting to actually trade lower. So again, we're using these levels as reference points as to what price action could potentially do based off of the higher time frames.